Hello guys, welcome to this vlog. Today is on a Tuesday and I am very excited because I'm finally installing Microlocks today. Super pumped up for that. I want to go wash my hair and then blow dry it, no oils. That is what my loctician said, and I will show you the progress. But this is how my hair looks. How my hair looks. I had put it in 2 lines just to manage it, so I want to go to a local salon and do it. It's just 2 lines, so that won't take a lot of time, and do it, wash it. Maybe by the time I am done, she will be here because we are supposed to start at 12. Right now it's 11, so she might be here. So yeah, wanted to give you that little update. I will definitely show you the progress.
No backing track by L Jazz Beats. Let's go. Everywhere I go, people gotta know I love you. People gotta say that everything I do for you. Yeah. Everywhere I go, people gotta know.
Hello, I haven't talked to you since the install, have I? And this mirror is dirty, but I will be deep cleaning tomorrow, so I will be cleaning that. Anyway, I don't think I have talked to you since Tuesday. Tuesday is when I did the Microlocks installation. I'm still loving them. They are yet to gain volume. They are yet to shrink. This is how they are looking today. Staki kutoanisha, and this is how I am going to town because I am headed out. This is how I am going to town, but I am loving them. I am loving them. Today is on Thursday. Yesterday Rodawayua came. I didn't film the whole day. Rodawayua came. We had an amazing time. By the way, if you don't know Rodawayua, go check her YouTube channel. Go check her over on Instagram. She has amazing content. And I love her content on fragrances. I get so much inspiration from her. Anyway, I am headed out. This is how I am looking. That bag over there is one of the reasons why I'm going to town, because I want to take those clothes to be adjusted. And this is my outfit of the day: jeans, comfortable shoes, and this top. But the reason why my bed is looking like this, I wanted to throw a kimono over this because it's kinda gloomy and it looks like it might rain some other time, and I don't want to carry a sweater, so I'm still debating on which one to wear. Let me show you. But honestly, I think I might wear this. You've seen this kimono again. This one is from Arasa's clothing. I keep butchering their name, but I will put it on the screen plus their contacts. They make amazing pieces. So this is the first option, but I think I might go with this one. I love how it looks. The other option is this one. This one is still from them, by the way. By the way, this came with palazzo pants. I know you've seen that video. I showed you this, but in case you haven't, go over on Instagram. You will see that this kimono and the other one came with pants. It's like those rich aunties sets. This is the other one, but I think the blue is better because I have blue jeans. But I'm not mad at how this one looks. Let me know which one you'd have picked on the comment section below. And I'm here trying clothes, and my brother is ready to go. This is the other option, but hii ni mrefu sana. I feel like it's too long, but this one would have been the perfect one because it's blue. I have blue jeans. I think I will go with the other blue. But again, I'm not mad at how this one looks. And I feel like you can throw kimono over anything and it instantly like elevates it. To remove, elevates the look. Yeah, let me just go with the blue one and then I go. So final outfit of the day is this one. and I haven't even ordered a cab. And then I have paired white tea. Do you see the dent? I have paired white tea, and this is my second bottle, by the way. I have paired white tea with this one, with Signature by Mont Blanc. I love how these two combined together smell. So that's it. I think I will have to see you later. I will definitely see you later. I have just decided to wear this. I feel like this one is better. This one is better. So final outfit of the day. And I love these jeans. They are very, very comfortable. There's just something about thrifted jeans. These jeans are thrifted, by the way. I just love them. I love them. See you later. This is where we were coming to. We were going to Naivasha. This is Hell's Gate. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record much this day, so we went to Hell's Gate and then we went for lunch at Buffalo Mall. It's in Naivasha as well. We were going to Buzi Munch, and you guys, if you're looking for tender, nice Buzi Choma, Buzi Munch is the place for you. They have branches in Naivasha and also they have some branches in Nairobi. I have tried the Agareria Mall one. It's nice as well. So yeah, that was our day.
Trapped in this dark and cold place, and I need something different. I need someone to listen, 'cause I'm losing myself and I feel like something's missing. And I know it's not easy trying to please me, but if I give you my all, just promise me you won't leave me. You got what I need, and I need something to believe in. I want to believe in you. You got what I need, and I need something to believe in. I want to believe in you.
I'm starting to believe that you could need me. I built my walls and dug my ditches deeply. Letting someone in ain't always easy when I've been on my own so completely. Years went by with my house on fire and my tears couldn't put it out. Flames grew higher and I heard the choir. I was drowning in a drought. Baby, where have you been all my life? Loneliness cut like a knife. I bled and I've been waiting for you ever since. You stopped to kiss me even when we argue. I'm trying to memorize your every tattoo. You're worshiping my body like a statue. I never asked you, but were you sad too? Nights fly by with just you and I. Silent whispers mouth to mouth. Bandage scars that were on my heart. No, you never had a doubt. Baby, where have you been all my life? Loneliness cut like a knife. Oh, I bled and I've been waiting for you ever since, baby.
My Instagram followers who keep asking me for cleaning content, I see you, and I have been seeing you, but honestly speaking, since giving birth, this is the only room that I have been cleaning, and I do it because I love it so much, and also it's not a lot of work. The rest of it, my nanny does it. I clean the kitchen once in a while, but I haven't had the pressure of cleaning the rest of the room because my nanny does a decent job, and also my back hasn't been the same, so yeah, there is that. But now I am doing better. I will get back to it because I love cleaning and organizing so much, and I love creating that kind of content. So I will be back now, especially after I do revamps here and there. I am planning on doing that. Keep it here for that. And also I want to move my daughter to her own room once she hit 7 months because I really want to sleep train her. I want my sleep back, honestly. Like, I want to sleep through the night, so I will be doing that. I have been doing research, and I think the Faber method will work for us. But if you have suggestions, please comment on the comment section below because I am open for suggestions. I'm really open to suggestions.
I think there's another universe where I haven't yet felt pain. And maybe in that other universe, I'm a flower and you're the rain. I think somewhere in a different life, I'm still 7 in 2nd grade. And I'm so happy that I feel alright, and that I haven't met my brain. And maybe somewhere in a different world, my mom's a bug inside a tree. My dad's the scientist who captured her, but now it's time to set her free. Maybe somehow in this skull of mine, I find it hard to see the truth. Romanticize a boring life. If that means I'll be happy too. Maybe there's a version of me left that doesn't feel afraid of what comes next. And I'm just trying to be the best one out of all.
You guys have really become inconsistent over here. I even forgot that I had a vlog going on, so this is me coming to complete it and upload it within the week. This week I will give you 2 vlogs, I promise. But you can follow me on Instagram at Kinyua. I promise I am more consistent on Instagram, but I will bring the consistency over here as well. Anyway, this is my hair 2 weeks later. I think I installed these Microlocks in this vlog, so you will be able to see the progress. This is 2 weeks later. They have become more bouncier, they have more bouncy, they have become more voluminous, so they have grown in volume but they have shrunk, so the length is not where they were, but hazija reduce hivyo sana. And we are 6 months, so we are winning, and I got her winning set. It came like this, came with a fork and a spoon for my daughter, and then this glass. I don't think we will be using this. This is supposed to be a glass or a cup or something like that. Then a bowl, and it has suction, so amazing. And then it came with this plate as well, has suction, and I love how well partitioned it is, and came with a bib as well. For those who are going the baby led weaning way, this is super important because baby led weaning can be messy and chakula itaanguka tu hapa. And then how cute is this? This is super cute. This is super cute. I loved this color. I will tag the name of the shop that I got this from on the comment section below. Somebody remind me to do that because sometimes I can forget. And I think it was going for 3,000 bob. And that's it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment on the comment section below. And I will be sharing some winning videos on Instagram, so you can follow me over there. And I will try to bring some over here so that you can see how our winning is going. Anyway, that's it. I will see you on our next video. Bye.